Díoghuit. In this Irish language video, we're going to look at some hobbies or pastimes. That's Caithfh Aimsire as Gaeilge. Caithfh Aimsire. Cad na Caithfh Aimsire atá agat. What are your hobbies? Cad na Caithfh Aimsire atá agat. Ag fáilim Gaeilge an Caithfh Aimsire atá agam. Learning Irish is my hobby. Ag fáilim Gaeilge an Caithfh Aimsire atá agam. Other hobbies include the following: ag siúl, walking, ag ri, running, and ag dowsa, dancing. Let's look at the first one there, walking, ag siúl. Déanaig an siúl maithas doing. The walk will do us good. Déanaig an siúl maithas doing. Running, ag ri. Téim amach ag ri gach maidin. I go out running every morning. Téim amach ag ri gach maidin. And dancing then, which is dowsa. Téim cheachtaine dowsa. I go to dancing lessons. Téim cheachtaine dowsa. Another word for dancing is also rinke, ag rinke. So for example, hug me rinke de. I gave her a dance. Hug me rinke de. And our next hobby then is to do with travelling. Tastal, to travel. But while I'm tastal, heart ar down, I would like to travel around the world. But while I'm tastal, heart ar down. And finally, our last hobby here is reading. Léamh, reading. Tá an léamh ar cheann den na Caithfh Aimsire agam. Reading is one of my hobbies. Tá an léamh ar cheann den na Caithfh Aimsire agam. So that brings us to the end of this Irish language video. I'd like to thank you for watching. Gurav Mahagut. And if you would like to see more videos like this, you'll see some on screen now, and you can also subscribe to this channel. Slán go fóill.